mentioned Casey Jr. just now. I think I've decided what my, if I were ever to work at Disneyland, what my job would be. What would my preferred job? What would my A1 job be? And that would be to drive. I want to be, was it the conductor? Who's the pilot? Who's the driver of the train?
Because they're smaller, you getting in and out might be a bit of a pain.
Well, this is Fantasyland, all right? So I don't have to worry about any of my leg pains. I can easily get in and out of any vehicle in Fantasyland.
All right then.
So I think, Fresh Break, I think I want to be the person who drives Casey Jr. What would be your job? If you had to work, it has to be in the park. If you're working, inside the gates on stage. So what would your dream about? You want to be a character? Do you want to work at the carousel? Do you want to work?
Let's do it right. Friend of character. Let's keep it.
Okay. Right. Right. A friend of a character. There you go. Or you could be one of those handlers for the friends of the characters.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah.
Ian, what would you want to be?
See, I can't answer this question because I've worked for Ian in an amusement park before. I don't think I'd want to do that again.
No, you don't. You can't think of a single job you'd like to do.
Having talked with cast members and heard their stories, no. Like they enjoy it.
This is Fantasyland, though. We're in Fantasyland. It's okay to just make believe that it's a perfect job environment.
That's Fantasyland. That is.
You would do very well in their training. They would love that.
I would, huh?
They'd be like, cool.
Do you want to be Hook and Peter Pan? Oh my gosh, I got a little Alice over here too.
What is it? Is it better than mine?
It's got quite a little posse going on there. Where are we going? Oh my gosh, are we in a queue of some kind? Oh, there it is, Matt. It's the, Matt Tea. Oh my God, the teacups. Well, it is the Matt Tea Party, I guess. Yeah.
The official name of the attraction is the Matt Tea Party.
It is the Matt Tea Party. Did you hear that? That's just happiness. That song is.
So you ready to go?
That song is happiness. Where are we going, Ian?
We're gonna look at some Small World stuff.
That's right. We're going to Small World, you guys, because they have confirmed some stuff. Hey, Ian, remember when we were here last week and you could see all this? Look at all the walls of wallness here. This is incredible.
Fresh baked.
Hi, how are you? They have really seriously blocked off. Now, it's been confirmed. We're getting both queues. Remember how we were talking about Dumbo, Small World?
Yeah, we're not sure which was which.
Turns out it's both.
They've already smashed up the gate.
Yeah, I can't, maybe, shoot, are we going to ride the train again?
No, but my check got a photo from the monorail.
Oh, did they? Okay.
Because it goes right, past.
Well, yeah, all this is dug up. They are, in fact, moving the parade route over slightly.
Yeah.
In order to, well, first they're going to take out, the stroller parking is going to get moved. Where are they putting strollers now?
I have no clue, but the point is all this is getting rejigged to adjust to make better use for queue space, strollers, relative to the parade route where it is now.
The Disney Parks blog announcement sort of covered it a little bit, but I couldn't figure it out what they were saying. I couldn't get my head around what they were saying.
Because it was weird, vague PR speak.
Yeah, it was very vague.
I wasn't sure I think the person writing it wasn't sure how to describe it either.
Yeah, maybe they don't know.
Because they're like, this is weird technical stuff. I'm trying, but I don't get it.
It almost sounded like they were talking about doing something over here too.
No, that's well beyond the parade route.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't understand. But we're getting some kind of new queue at Small World. I don't know what, but they also said that they don't have to close the attraction to do this, so.
No, because they can just squeeze it out like this for now. And then when it reopens, they just reset the ropes essentially, right?
Okay, so what does that mean?
It means that they better save that sea serpentopia area.
Are you worried about?
Yes, me and Matthew Gotcha are like, save the sea serpent.
Because why wouldn't they be able to save that?
Because Disney sometimes does stuff like that, where even though it takes very little effort to just put it in.
Because that is going to go, right?
Oh no, yeah, that's how to get dug up.
That area is dug up.
The tree behind it in the photo from my shot is already in a box.
Yeah.
So again, it would take very little effort to save it, but sometimes it's hard to get the benefit of the doubt to do that stuff.
Yeah.
So
let's hope for the best. Well, silly me, I decided to go back and read the Disney Parks blog announcement. I just sat here, I just read it a second ago, and I'm not any more clear about what's happening.
It's difficult.
Are you having a hard time?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so she bought some lollipops and she's not enjoying it at all. Because they referenced the Small World Mall, which my understanding was always it was that area over there.
Well, but that area extends out, it wraps out over there.
Right, but does that? And then there's the promenade, which I guess is where we are now. Are we in the promenade?
I think that might just be this whole.
The whole area? Right. So anyway, what the announcement said is they're moving the parade route over so they can make room for the new queue.
Yes.
Now, they don't say what kind of queue that is or anything like that.
And
they don't say
they'll still need overflow across the route during holiday time.
Right.
They'll still end up filling out that area during holiday time.
Do you suppose that they're going to demo the mall at all?
No.
If that's what they mean by creating more space, because really you don't really need that area up there anymore. That was part of the whole, that was just here for.
They built it.
What do you call it?
For light magic, but they still
magic,
they use it for all the parades though. It still serves.
I guess it is still a viewing area.
It serves as a viewing area for any parade. Like it's even though that show failed, it's still useful for any show that goes through this area.
Monorail.
Just like the towers and the light fixtures they built for that. Didn't get to serve their initial purpose, they're still useful for any parade or show that goes through here.
All right. Well, like I said, I mean, I guess we'll just be back here and we'll try to learn more about this. I still, what we're gonna have to do is maybe next week we'll get a ride on the monorail and get a look at what they're doing down here.
Yeah. The mice chat.
Oh, okay. Well, here's the photo from Mice Chat.
We've already started taking down the walls.
I don't know if we can
One
really.
of the trees is already boxed up.
You know what? I'll put the photo in here. I'll grab that and when I'll drop that in the video.
May, as Tim Traeger says, insert camera noise.
I don't know how to do the camera noise.
You don't actually do the noise. He just says
insert camera.
He just says insert
Oh,
camera
right.
noise, and then the picture appears. Insert camera noise.
You know what? I'm not as smooth as Tim. I can't do it.
It's true.
Let's go to Toontown.
Tim and Jen are professional. They know what they're doing. We just kind of flounder our way through.
Witty banter. We can do that. I think we've got them on witty banter.
But he has us on mispronouncing things and then making jokes at his own expense about it.
Does he play the mispronunciation game?
He does not play a game. He just mispronounces things.
Oh, okay.
And then gets Craig. He's like, apologies, guys. I said that wrong.
Toontown. What do you think Toontown would look like as a pile of dirt?
I bet we could find photos.
I was going to say something so about Toontown.
Poor Toontown. Gets no respect. Certainly is crowded in here today, though. My goodness. Do you guys hear that
There's
wind?
nowhere to go, David.
They're all on Tom Sawyer's Island.
It's because of all the walls.
The walls of wallness. You know what? I'm glad I'm not counting jerseys today because I think I would explode. Look at all the strollers. Strollers everywhere. And a lot of parents just checked out.
Especially as it's getting into the
I'm good. Let's go inside Mickey's house, you guys. I want to see what's new. What's new in Mickey's house, Ian? No, there's nothing new in Mickey's house, I'm guessing. As a matter of fact, the only thing that might be new at Mickey's house is maybe that they took something out. They've done that before. Wow. I feel like, doesn't it feel tense?
Yeah. I was going to hit twice.
Right? You know, did you see the movie Mother?
Yep.
This feels like when all the fans came to the house at the end. I'm feeling like that right now. Get off of that sink. Get off of that sink. Hey, I have a question. Is it Toonie or is it Tuownie?
Toonie.
Because the word is Downy.
I don't care. It's Toonie.
But it's Downy.
I don't care. It's Toonie.
I think it's Tuownie.
Nope.
South Hotel?
I heard it's haunted. Sarah, we were asking before because I decided that my job when I come to work at Disneyland is going to be to drive the Casey Jr. train.
Oh, okay.
What's your job going to be? You have to be in the park on stage.
I chose not to answer.
Ian quit. He fired himself.
I think that I'm gonna do something in map.
Oh yeah? Like,
I think I need to be a part of map. So.
yeah.
Preferably right next to TT.
So you want to be on stage?
Yeah, and I want to be really, really.
Just one of those guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the bubble guy?
Yes.
The bubble guy? Yeah.
I would be a bubble guy.
Okay.
I would change just to be a bubble guy.
What about the guy who decides to chicken out and not do the backflip during the Lilo and Stitch scene?
I would never be that wimp.
Don't be that guy. Do the backflip.
Should we have exited back there?
No, we're gonna see this through. But things have gotten a little tense. Things have gotten a little. Oh, is that? This is it.
Yeah.
This is backup for the theater room. Well, let's go say hi to the chickens. Hopefully they won't mind that we're just coming. You guys know what that's for, right? You know what this is for?
Yeah, for them.
It's for them. Chickens, your days are numbered. This is a first for me. I've never. Ever? Have you ever? I've never. Normally, there's two ways to go through Mickey's house. You can go through this house and then go see the show and then meet Mickey.
Yep.
If you don't want to meet Mickey, you can... So we're all just really flabbergasted because right behind us where we're filming this bit, we're doing this bit right here, right? And behind us is an emergency exit only sign. And the light, you saw the light come through the lens, I think?
Yeah, like a camera.
A guest came through the... A guest came through the emergency... I don't know. And it was like...
The door I need.
And he was so casual about it, like, yeah, I'm good.
He's like opened it and pushed the rope, closed the door. All right,
Anyway,
let's go.
Never in my life have I seen this before. You can turn left at the weird piano thing and exit. But today we were gonna try to ninja our way through there and turn left, but that's not gonna happen.
Also, there he is.
Somebody needs to turn off Mickey, by the
I
way.
was like, why is he hopping on?
He is really, yeah. So we're gonna have to go back the way we came. Abort.
Which one's mine?
Ian, we gotta go back to Berlin. Back to Berlin. I've never gone out this way before. I feel like we're doing it wrong. Well, we are doing it wrong.
Well, we are.
Yeah, that's not a feeling. That is a reality. That is fact.
Yep.
So Sarah, you know what? I want to find that door. Where? Sarah, where's that door?
It's emergency exit only. That's why I was.
I know, but where did it go?
I have no idea how that guy managed.
He must have gone out that way
No idea.
and then came back in because that door is backstage.
That was like cover security.
Because the reason I asked you was because I saw lights.
Oh, really?
So I said, is there a door on that side? So maybe he went out and
then
walked
realized
and was
that.
like,
Zoinks! No!
I'm gonna get kicked out of Disneyland! Let me back in the house! Let me back in the house!
But normally a door like that doesn't have
No, it doesn't.
a handle on the other side, right?
You know what? He took the handle from the pizza port
Oh my God.
doors.
That's where they went. That's why.
You guys, you don't know what she's talking about, but that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!